So you want to know how to put round LED headlights into a square hole. Well, my friend, here's how I did mine. To start off, we're going to need some tools, and this is what you're going to need. An assortment of pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, self-tappers about 1.5 inches long, a driver bit, and then a drill, and an assortment of electrical connectors. Then you're going to also need a way to cut some fiberglass, like a body saw, Dremel, or some sort of a jigsaw. And then also, having a good set of drill bits could come in handy. Next, you'll have to get these brackets so that you can mount the lights and adjust them properly. Also, you're going to need 7-inch round headlights, so find the ones you like and then get them. So to start the disassembly of the headlight, we first remove the screws out of the side marker light, then remove the screws out of the headlight bezel, and then set the whole assembly aside. Once removed, you should have something that looks like this. Remove the screws from the headlight trim and then remove the headlight by unplugging the 3-prong plug. You should see a cup with a spring and 2 adjustment screws. Remove those and then remove the cup. So once everything has been removed, you should end up with something that looks like this. Now, mocking everything up, you need to take the new round headlight bracket and remove the 3 screws holding the new light trim in place and then set it aside. Line the bracket up with the back of the headlight on the 3 little tabs that place the light into the bracket a certain way. Once aligned, flip the light over, replace the light trim, and then reinstall the 3 screws to hold it all securely. Now you want to orientate the light where the top of the light is at the top and the bottom is at the bottom. Notice that the new light bracket has 3 adjustment screws that stick down past the flat mounting plate that all the mounting holes are in. So to make this fit, we have to cut the fiberglass to allow these adjustment screws to pass through. So place your light into the spot you want it and mark the fiberglass where those screws need to be cut through. You will also notice that some of the upper part of the fiberglass gets in the way, so those places will have to be cut as well. Your goal is to get the mounting plate as flat as you can to the fiberglass. If you look closely at mine, you can see how much of the fiberglass I cut to get this result. Once you get it to lay flat, now you can put the self-tappers in around the light through the mounting plate to hold the light securely to the fiberglass. Now, you can check your bezel by placing it up into the light bracket slot and making sure that the light clears the bezel. Well, all that's left now is to wire it up, and when you buy your light, you'll want to make sure that you buy one that has an H4 plug. Most LED lights for JKs come with this plug, and in the older Jeeps, if you get this plug, it's just a plug and play application. On mine, I have a halo that is my running lights and my turn signal. So I tapped into my side marker, which had both the wires I needed. So now, just put your lights back together, plug it all up, put all the screws in, as long as with the bezel as well, and then you now are the proud owner of a very unique headlight converted Jeep. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe.